Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of You Are What You Eat. God has blessed us with the beauty of nature. One of its excellence is soothing and aromatic herbs with its powerful and magical health benefits that we will later discuss in this video. So let us begin right after this short intro. So let's begin this debate with the terminology herbs. Herbs are the leafy green or flowering parts of a plant used fresh or dried for flavoring food, creating fragrances, or even as a part of natural medicine. Let's discuss the uses of herbs. Herbs are widely used in cooking to enhance the flavor of dishes, and some are also used in teas, cosmetics, and even as ingredients in some natural medicines. So let's move on to the examples of herbs. Number 1. Basil, a popular herb with a sweet, slightly peppery flavor, often used in Italian cuisines. Number 2. Cilantro, used fresh. Its leaves have a fresh, citrusy flavor and its seeds are known as coriander spice. Number 3. Oregano, a strong earthy herb with a pungent flavor commonly used in Italian, Mexican, and Greek dishes. Number 4. Thyme, a woody herb with a savory, slightly bitter flavor, often used in Mediterranean cuisines. Number 5. Chives, a mild onion flavored herb, often used as a garnish or flavoring in salads and soups. Number 6. Sage, a woody herb with a strong, earthy flavor, often used in poultry dishes and stuffing. Number 7. Dill herb, a fresh, bright herb with a slightly anise-like flavor, often used in salads, food and fish dishes, and pickles. Number 8. Mint, a refreshing, cool-tasting herb with a wide range of flavors, often used in beverages, desserts, and sauces. Number 9. Parsley, a versatile herb with a fresh, slightly peppery flavor, often used as a garnish or flavorings in sauces and soups. Number 10. Rosemary, a woody pine-like herb with a strong aromatic flavor, often used in roasted meats, potatoes, and breads. 11. Bay leaf, a large aromatic leaf from the bay laurel tree used for flavoring stews, soups, and braised meats. Number 12. Tarragon, an anise-flavored herb with a sharp, slightly bitter taste, often used in salads, chicken dishes, and sauces. Number 13. Marjoram, a sweet, mild herb with a slightly spicy flavor, often used in poultry, meats, and vegetables dishes. Number 14. Chervil, a delicate anise-flavored herb with a slightly citrusy aroma, often used as a garnish or in French cuisines. Number 15. Lavender, a fragrant herb with a floral aroma and mild, slightly peppery flavor, often used in teas, desserts, and perfumes. So now let's discuss the health benefits of herbs. Herbs offer a wider range of potential health benefits as they are rich in antioxidants and other beneficial phytochemicals that can protect against cell damage and promote overall well-being. Okay, so number 1 health benefit is heart health. That includes lowering cholesterol. Garlic, fenugreek, and lemongrass may help lower cholesterol levels. Number 2, reducing blood sugars. Garlic is beneficial for individuals with mildly elevated blood pressure. Number 3, anti-clotting. Aged garlic extract may have anti-clotting properties. And blood vessel health. Researchers may contribute to healthy blood vessels and potentially reduce the risk of heart attacks. Number 2 health benefit includes diabetes management, improving insulin response. Cinnamon and fenugreek can help regulate blood sugar and insulin activity. Number 2, improving insulin sensitivity. Cayenne pepper may contribute to increased control over insulin levels. Number 3, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Rich in antioxidants, herbs like cloves, cinnamon, sage, oregano, and thyme are excellent sources of antioxidants. Reducing chronic inflammation. Polyphenols in herbs can reduce inflammation and its associated risk. Number third, protecting against cell damage. Phytochemicals in herbs helps prevent cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So now let's take the turn of debate towards other potential health benefits of herbs. Number 1, cancer prevention. Garlic, onions, chives, leeks, mints, basil, oregano, sage, and many other herbs may help protect against cancer. Number 2, cognitive function. Some herbs and spices may affect cognition and mood. Number 3, boosting the immune system. Many herbs have traditionally been used to support the immune system. Digestive system. Ginger may help with nausea and vomiting. Now let's move on to the examples of herbs with specific health benefits. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and potential benefits for brain health. Cinnamon may help improve blood sugar control. Garlic can help fight infection and boost the immune system. Ginger may help with nausea and digestive discomfort. Peppermint. Peppermint oil is more than a refreshing flavor, offering various potential health benefits. Basil contains essential oils with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Last but not the least, oregano offers numerous health benefits beyond just pizza toppings. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like the video, give thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for latest update. I'll catch you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.